India's freedom movement and nationalist reorganization has a long history of about 350 years, from 1600 to 1950 AD. The nationalist movement had four phases: 1612 to 1885 AD, second phase 1885 to 1905, third phase Swadeshi movement, and fourth phase Gandhiji's Satyagraha and non-violence. In the First War of Independence in 1857, Indian soldiers revolted. They organized under Indian princes and the Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah and fought against East Indian Company's colonial rule in India. The second phase became a popular movement by formation of Indian National Congress and moderate phase. They demanded more privilege and benefits from the British Crown by prayers and petitions. Protest and demonstration took its form in the extremist phase by declaration of Swadeshi movement. Swadeshi movement got its momentum under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi in the fourth phase. Mass meetings, processions, boycott of foreign goods, and organization of strikes and satyagraha and spreading nationalist songs and literature inspired the masses, and nationalist movement was participated by all divisions of people in the country. The efforts of Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and many leaders made India democratically strong, and the Congress declared Purna Swaraj. During Quit India movement in 1942, the time came when Gandhiji and Congress demanded British to leave India. The British government recognized the need for transferring power to Indians to decide their own destiny by ruling India as a sovereign state on the eve of 1947 August 15. According to the Indian Independence Act in 1947, the Parliament of United Kingdom enforced the partition of British India into two new independent dominions of India and Pakistan. Violence took place in India and the cities of Pakistan. Many people had to leave behind their possessions and property and flee to their new country. Many Muslims fled to Pakistan, and Hindus and Sikhs had to leave the territory of Pakistan to settle in India. The rest is the history that India got its constitution by 26th November 1949 and declared Indian Republic on 26th January 1950. Jai Hind.